Hey everybody, it's ProTrader Mike. The webinar will start in approximately 5 minutes. Thank you. Hi everybody, let's get ready. We're in the MOJO Day Trade room right now. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, welcome to the MOJO Day Trading webinar. It's going to be a different kind of webinar today. You are going to learn how to day trade for a living. I'm going to bring you through a lot of great scenarios and things that I've prepared. And I hope you enjoy. You have full access to the room. You can see right here we have the free riders. We have the MOJO traders. And then the MOJO Pro Traders, and then the moderators up top, myself and ProTrader Alan, and hi ProTrader Deb. And what I like is we have good interaction in this room, so I give a little thumbs up for Deb, like that. And what you can do is we have like my rank, I'm number 1 out of 94 people that are ranked in the room. Don't everybody do that now, but as far as participation in what we do in the MOJO Day Trade room. So let me start my webinar and we'll get going. I have some slides that I want to show you right here. So now this webinar, I'm going to show you how to day trade for a living. Okay, any questions that you may have in the general chat, you guys feel free to type in there. Myself and Alan will moderate and answer any questions that you may have in the general chat. I have made available for everybody the following tabs. So I have made available the day trade picks tab for everyone, which has all the day trade picks. Everyone should have a nice fresh cup of coffee. I really wasn't even able to make mine, but I'm gonna go make it in a minute. Everybody has access to the swing trade picks. And I want you to take a minute. You don't have access to the MOJO University videos, you don't have access to MOJO University chat, and you don't have access to MOJO University toolbox. You do have access to the comics, the paintings, the testimonials, and everything else. And we're in the general chat right now. So this is what the room is. I'm going to slank up a beautiful cup of coffee. I want everybody to go do the same. Okay? And you watch my screen for 1 second. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, it's Mike back. As my traders know, I can't really do anything without a nice, fresh, big cup of Java. So let's get on with the action. And I'm going to show everybody, because I'm MOJO University and MOJO Day Trading. I've personally taught thousands of traders online how to day trade and education with trading for a living. I have a course called MOJO University, which creates a trader into a pro trader. Takes them to the next level, man. You become like a little woohoo super dude. Okay, so in this webinar, I'm going to discuss some day trading, some swing trading secrets, and the rules and strategies that apply to keep money in your pocket and help you trade successfully and day trade for a living. And even if you don't day trade, become a better trader. The importance of a mentor. Now, right to the point, boom, right to it, real easy is, dude, if I had someone to tap me on the shoulder and say, look, dude, you hit your daily goal, shut the thing off, I'd be a freaking majillionaire 10 times over. Okay? I don't have that luxury when I started, but now I'm doing that to people and I've been able to help. So when we go MOJO 5 right here, and I go, oh, hold on a second. I go Mojo 5. There's 20 days a month. 18 out of the 20, we're done trading for the day by 11. We hit our goals. Guys, shut it off. Leave. Get out of here. That's the purpose of a mentor. Everybody has a great idea and could teach you how to day trade and know a pattern. Give me a break. It's the importance of a mentor that has the discipline and the guidance for you to say, look, stop. You're a pro trader now. This is a business. Text me when you're done. Show me what you've done for the day. You're not going to text me and say, I'm still trading. I'm looking for your text. You better be done for the day. Text me what you've done. I'm going to hold you accountable. My class sizes for my pro traders are small. I can't have thousands of texts blowing me up all day when the market ends and great, you did great, you did. I have a group of people that each class I help. The day trading game has evolved where you can't teach a lot of people. I never have taught a large group of people because I get to know my traders. So I'm going to teach you how to set up the business, the rules for success, how to set up your accounts, how to pick a broker, day trading education with the level 2, some swing with the Ken Slim, and we'll end it with Mojo University and an amazing special offer that is just going to be phenomenal. Okay? Phenomenal. So, about Mojo Day Trading, I have 20 years experience trading the markets. Absolutely disciplined math, scaling, buying power, and patience. You see it, guys. So, and we're not in live screen share mode right now. We're just basically in the webinar, guys. So Mojo started in 2012. I've built the largest team of hundreds of pro traders. Hundreds of thousands of followers on social media. If you're not following me on social media, please, you should be following me on Twitter. Let's go over to Twitter. Here's my Twitter. Be part of the 31,000 followers I have on Twitter. Facebook as well. You can go to Facebook and join me on the Facebook. I also have LinkedIn. I'm also on LinkedIn. You can join me on LinkedIn right here. ProTrader Mike. And my largest collection is my YouTube and my channel, which you can subscribe right here. So you click subscribe, and then every time I do a video, you can get click that thing, and then you can get an email letting you know that I've just gone live. That's really cool. So you never miss any of my shows. I have one of the largest libraries. So right now you would have got an email saying, hey, look, ProTrader Mike is now live for the Mojo webinar right there. And you would have gotten that email. See that? And so then you have that. I'll be showing you a lot of things on the Mojo site. I have the largest library of stock trading videos on YouTube. I have over 700 videos, folks, on YouTube. One of the largest libraries. If you actually go to the Mojo Day Trading website, www.mojodaytrading.com, and you go under Day Trading, we have the Mojo Day Trade Show. And I'm giving you all a copy of my level 2 video, folks. So we want to go get started. We want to go day trade show right here. And every day I put the show up. This is today's show. And here's all the shows right here. 700 day trading shows with edutainment, education and entertainment, folks. Real nice. So let's get back over to the webinar. And I have the largest gallery of stock comics and paintings as well. So if you go back and look on my website and you go to more, I have comics, a really nice array of comics on the website, hundreds of those. And also I have paintings that I do on my Mojo show in the gallery that you'd be able to check out right here, some real nice ones. Okay, and feel free to take time and peruse through the Mojo site. Okay?
Yeah, baby.
So I got the day trade room, the swing trade newsletter, and Mojo U. Okay? Mojo Day Trading provides the tools and the education necessary for anyone to trade the stock market and potentially replace or exceed prior income. If anybody has any questions in the general chat, please feel free to type them in. Just to let you know, I have in the general chat right here, the room, I have, let's say you want to type in like words like, see that? Bad language. See that? You can't type, so I have the moderators in the room down here, my bots. I have Mr. Krabs. I have Patrick. I have Plankton. I have SpongeBob and Squidward. I'm hearing you double. You need to mute YouTube. Or, yeah, mute YouTube. That's all. And then you won't hear me double. Problem solved, Mr. Surge. So, right there, problem solved. That's what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Oh, dude. Boom. Just like that. Okay? No problem. So, I want you to do your due diligence, folks. You guys got to do your due diligence, okay? You have to. You got to do your due diligence. We're a big family, and I want you all to be a part of it, okay? We're all in the family here. And if anybody don't believe me, I got all my pros right here. They're going to back me up. See them all? And all of them down there. They're all going to back me up, guys, today. Because I'm not going to spew out something that thousands of people don't back up. Any guru moderator can get on and say, hey, I've got thousands of people. I got the greatest thing. Everyone makes money. Well, where? Let me see. I got all my people. They're going to tell you right now they all make money and how great everything is, backing me up. I'm not shkaboodle-langing you, okay? So look, do your due diligence. There's a lot of rooms out there. What makes Mojo different? I have a teachable system for the masses, not just a select few. So in my room, we have hundreds and hundreds of people, but everybody has an equal chance of making money on every trade just as everybody else does, just as equal as I do or anybody else does. And that's the difference. Some rooms will front run you, and what they'll do is they'll buy the stock first, and then they'll alert the room, and then they'll take liquidity on the room. It's not a good scenario. And it doesn't go longevity. If you have thousands of people, no one can even tell, and you work and you make it last. But I believe in quality, not quantity. That's why you don't see me advertising all over the internet and all over YouTube and all over Twitter and Facebook like my competitors, trying to bring in people. I'm by word of mouth. One pro trader tells the next pro trader. People lose in all the other rooms, and then they wind up coming to me. Okay? I'm one moderator. I trade 1 to 2 stocks at a time. We do not overtrade in the room. I don't do a lot of trading, and I keep track right here on the MOJO Day Trading website. And I go right here to the day trade results. And here's the picks, guys. We do 14 trades a day. We're usually right on 80 to 90% of them. And this track record goes back a long time. It's not Movember. I need to change that to November. And you can scroll back all the way. I'll show you, look. Many months. June of 2016. Shows you all the trades, all the plays right here. Full transparency. We did 272 trades for 96%, 19-cent average scalp. The month before, we did 268 out of 263, 98%, 18-cent average scalp. We'll do 3 months, the month before, just to show you consistency. 195 picks, 183 right for 94% average, 14-cent scalp. And go back a year. Go to July of 2015. That's a lot of wins right there, boys. Woo! A lot of wins. 254 to 246 for 97%. 13-cent average scalp. So you can see I'm very consistent. I have a 4-year track record of 90% win rates. I'm very, very highly accurate. There's no front running. Everyone makes money. I have a very high retention rate. 80% of my students are successful teaching and becoming a pro trader. You have no idea which way to go. Up, down, are they selling against you? Are they buying? Are they shorting it? Are the market makers with you? Is there an algo? Are you limit order? You market order? What are you doing? You have no idea what's going on. Okay? Here's the MOJO Day Trade room. Everything starts here in the MOJO room. You're looking at it right now. You come in and the room greets you hello. Then you have support. Anything that you need for support, you put it in there. We have the welcome. Shows you how to change your profile picture. Tells you what the Heinz trade's all about, the main staple trade play. Then we have the leaderboard. The leaderboard is pretty cool. The leaderboard works like this. Each time you do a post in the room, you get a random number of XP points. Between 15 and 25. And to avoid a flood, you can only gain an XP point once per minute. And we rank them right here, all the traders. And what we're doing is, on the MOJO website, we have a leaderboard. So if you go to the day trading and you go to the MOJO leaderboard right here, everyone in this webinar is going to get a copy of my level 2 video. I have all your emails. First place each month, we're going to give this away. This month is an iPad. Value's huge. Second prize is 1 month of the room for free. Value $149. Third prize, I'm going to give you a journal, a mouse pad, and a pen. Basically, the journal is a very nice journal. I have a MOJO journal, a MOJO pen, and I'm getting more mouse pads. No pre-market trading. And shut it down for the day when we're done. Okay? And that's real nice. So I got everything with the day trading, and it's on my website. If you go right here to results, you can see the full day trading and swing trading results for 4 years. Very transparent. Okay? So back to the MOJO room. I'm going to show you the rest of the room. We have private channels. So sometimes if you don't have the right role, you can't see the MOJO University toolbox or the chat room or the MOJO University videos or the swing trade picks unless you're a swing trade subscriber. Day trade picks, general chat. When you become a subscriber of the room, you have access to the day and the swing, both. Okay, general chat, everyone could do that. And then on MOJO Live Radio right here. You see all the people listening to me live on the radio right here. And then I have the MOJO University classroom down here where I hold class in the MOJO room. And the room is amazing. It's amazing. It's a lot of fun. You can do things like, mute your YouTube. Listen to Alan. Look, tell him, Squidward. See, Squidward goes, look, no one has a 96% accuracy like Mike does. Mute your YouTube, see? Alan and Levi, tell him that's the comics that happen in the room. See, we have a lot of comics, so you go right here to the comics, and you can review a lot of the last comics, guys, in here, and some of the old ones. Okay, all the comics go in there. And the paintings go in there, and we're in the chat right there. So the room's very organized. It's a great place to, if you want to know the weather, like in Aspen, Colorado right now, you can get that. Weather, Aspen, Colorado. Let's see here. Oh, I got to take off the dot. Let me delete that. So watch, Aspen, Colorado. The weather, please. Thank you, SpongeBob. It's variable cloudy with some snow showers. High, -1 Celsius. Winds are west at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And a chance of snow of 50%. See, the room is real cool. And then you say, 8 ball, magic 8 ball. Will the market go up or down tomorrow? Most likely. Okay, you ask the 8 ball a question. We got some cool things in the room, folks. Okay, some really cool things. You can, you want to know where your stock's going to? Just roll the dice. It's going to 13 cents. Done. Things like that are just really cool with the room. Okay, and we're a team of superheroes, Mojo traders. Let me show you. I transform into this Hulk trade play I'm going to show you today. It's huge. Okay? Don't let that scare you. I'll show you all about it. Alright, that's the Mojo Day Trade room. That's the leaderboard. Get your Discord on. Okay? Now let's talk about day trading and making some dollarinos. Okay? You have 3 kinds of traders, guys. 3 kinds. Small, medium, and large. Okay? You got the small, medium, and large. The small guy ain't making $1 million a year, let's face it. He ain't doing that. Okay? No way. But you can grow. Let me show you. So you start off right here at $100 to $200 a day to $300 a day. You're a small trader. You have less than 25K and you trade with a prop firm. Okay? And what you want to show right here, like this, oh, I'm sorry, it's PDT rule. So, hold on a second. Let me just delete this last command right here. Let me see something. So, what is a day trader? FINRA and the New York Stock Exchange define a day trader as someone who effects 4 or more trades the same day and closing them in the same day within a 5-day business period. Okay? So what you need is 25K. What is a PD account reset? FINRA has provided firms the ability. So once your account and you're locked for 180 days. If you're required to maintain 25,000. You got to require 90 days before you can open and close new positions. So if you are trading at 25 grand and above and you fall to 24,995, you got to add $5 and your account will let you trade. Okay? If you're below that, you're affected by that pattern day trader rule and you have to trade with a prop firm. And there's a couple of them out there. Mojo has a partner prop firm with the TradeX platform that all the traders are using. It works great, and I'll show you all about that when we get to it. So the small trader has less than 25 grand. The typical guy, what do you need to get started day trading? The minimum is $2,000 for the firm to open up an account live. Before that, you need $1,000 for education. To go through Mojo University, get educated, paper trade for 60 days. Let me train you while you're in Mojo U. You have to take it twice in order to really understand it. Grow your account in a 90-day plan, okay, from $5,000 and 2 grand. If you're at 5, it'll take you 90. If you're at 2, it'll take you another month, 120 days. And grow that account from 5,000 to 25 grand. Okay, you make $100 a day for 20 days is $2,000. Then you make $200 a day for 20 days is 4,000. Then you make 300 to 500 a day for 20 days is 6,000 to 10,000. And now you have a total of 10, 16, or 17,000. Okay, in profits, plus the original you started with, you could probably make it to $25,000 in 90 to 120 days. The minimum to start trading, I wouldn't do nothing less, and you can't less than $2,000. Okay, you need if you're 2, I'll charge you $1,000 for education. The guy that's up here, making 2, 3, 4, 5,000 a day, making 480 to 960,000 a year. You're making $2,000 and $3,000 and $4,000 a day. You're full price for Mojo University. You're getting charged full boat, $5,000. Okay, Alan, who makes $3,000 a day, $4,000 a day, paid $2,000 for Mojo U back 4 years ago. He knows people pay $500, $1,000, $2,000 less than he does. Does he care? No, because he makes the money, and we're all in a family here, and that's how it works. We're a family, guys. I make it work for you. Okay? That's what I do. We're a team of superheroes and super traders. Please feel free to ask any questions you like and join the team. So this is the game plan that I will enable you with on an outcome goal. Okay? So what I want to do is show you the process. Because you're like, dude, that outcome's pretty good. I want to take... Why don't you guys put in the general chat, all you people, and I'll show you the process now. Tell me what you want to make per year and per day. Which one? You're going to do $100 a day, 3, 5, 1,000. Which one are you? Show me, and I'll show you the process on how to do that now. Because your outcome goal, you're not in control of. It's lofty. The market is in control of that. You're not in control. You have no control of your outcome goal. But you do have control of your process. So let's see what people are putting in. $150 a day, eventually $100,000 per year. Who else wants to make money? Let's see. 3,000 a day. Steve, you need 100 grand account. Alan's making $1 million a year. 180 to 200 a day. 300 a day. That's pretty good. Anybody else? 500. I could show you how to do that. I could show you how to do that. Anybody else want to make money?
No.
No?
No!
Really?
That's a firm maybe.
Maybe? How about you, Zion? Yeah? 500 a day? Kyle, 2,000 a day?
Well, yes.
All you new guys, Jonathan and Kyle, you got some lofty goals there. You sure you're not froggy? You sure you're not getting froggy on me? Bouncing up and down like a frog? Trying to bounce around, but you're not really that froggy? You better 2,000 a day? You better have 100 grand in the account. Equity plus raw 100,000 to make 2 grand without risk. You got that? Without risk. Done. Done. Alan, what we got here, we got some guys that think they got the power. I want to show you right here the process. All right, here's the process. Watch. You ready? Carefully watch. Five days a week. 4 weeks. 20 days times 12 months is 240 days a year. that you can trade and win daily in the market. You go on 2 years, that's 480 days for 2 years. If you go over 2 years, it's more than that. ProTrader Allen has not lost. What's your track record in the Mojo room, ProTrader Allen? His last losing day, I believe, was November of 2014. Last losing day was November of 2014. 2 years ago. He has won 480 plus days in a row. He doesn't use the screen share. He follows my picks directly and only my picks. That's all he does. Okay? That's all he does. In Mojo University, you have levels according to your lesson. No. You have to take Mojo University. Alan, how many times do you take Mojo U? I recommend taking it at least 4 times. At least 4 times. Before you become black magic. Okay? At least. At least. Bam. 4 times.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
Okay? So here's the process, guys. You ready? The process is to do 3 Heinz trades a day and fold everything else. You got it? Everybody have it? That's the process. You're in total control of that. To do $100 a day. Does everybody follow that? Everybody follows that, right? To do that. You want me to show you something badass? You want to see something badass? Look at this, Mojo University. Let me show you what I did last night in Mojo U. Okay, see this badass? This correlates with smaller share size in order to win without giving up your bankroll. Cool, man. Look at this one. Tap, tap, tap. 2 scenarios of what you can do. Look at this one. HOD range. Look at this one. What $1,000? What I did. See, $20,000 a month, $40,000, $250,000 a year. Mojo wave theory, under over, covering the bills, the car, the house, the kids, the food, your luxury. If you lose 1 day, you need 2 to 3 days to make that back. You got to make money every single day you come to work. Every day. If you lose, you're done. Okay? So what I used to do, what this is, see this right here? I'll explain what this 920, 80 to go, love. See the chaza? Alan, you know what they didn't know what a chaza was. Alan. They didn't know what a chaza was. They didn't know what a chaza was. How many months does it take? It's 1 month. 1 month. They don't know what a chaza is, Alan. I told them it took me 3 years. 3 years to buck this shizzle dizzle of the of being a chaza. And what it basically is, folks, it's really simple. Check it out. Watch. This is a chaza. I think it's a chaza. Okay? What I did was, I said, yo, baby pop, look at me. I'm a day trader. I'm going to come in. I'm going to make freaking, what, $500,000? I'm going to be a freaking majillionaire. Now I'll make $250 a year. No less. I'd be embarrassed if I told anybody I make less than $250. So I came in, I blew up 5 or 6 accounts, trying for the score, making trades happen, and I'd blow up every day. I'd make money every day. I'd be up $800. I'd be like, dude, my goal's 1,000. I only got 200 to go. I think that's one trade. I do the one trade, I'd take a loss. The 800 would go to 400. I'd be on tilt. I'd say, holy shit, damn crazy, I hate it, I'm gonna get back that money, and then I'd be at a loss. I said, you know what? I did that for 3 years. At 10 o'clock on the first 3 trades, I was up $800. All I had to do was under-promise and over-deliver. Changed my whole game, got the monkey off my back. I said, you know what? I don't need to make $10,000 a month and $120 a year. I could only make $5,000 a month because I'm replacing the job I just came from, 9 to 5. My boss is a jackass. I hate working all day. I have to pay for my lunches. I can't eat at home. I can't do what I want. Screw, all I need to really do is replace that $5,000 instead of being a chaza and trying to think I need to make double and triple that. Ain't gonna work. Ain't gonna work. So basically, you set it up. Don't set yourselves up for failure. Okay? Screw $800 or $1,000 a day. That's $20,000 a month. What do you need? You only need 10 grand a month. That's $500 a day. I can live with that. So now when I'm up 800, I look, I say, yeah, star it, baby. I'm above my daily goal. I don't have to push it. Days accomplished. There's 18 out of 20 days most people will be profitable. I'm profitable like Alan, 20 out of 20 days. So if you take $500 and you do 20 days, that's $10,000. That's a huge, huge income. I don't care who you are. That's enough income for you to make financials, to pay your bills, pay the car, do everything else. It's going to take you 90 days. Paper trading, coming into Mojo U, checking out the room, learning the Mojo system, learning how to fold. Fold, guys. You don't want to do the trades. Learning which ones to do and which ones not to do. Okay? 20 days a month. As soon as I was up 500, I'm done. I don't need to make 800 because the next day I made 1,200. And at the end of the month, it adds up. That's how it's done. That's what this was all about last night, because if you make it past 10 o'clock, you're in Mojo wave theory. You're going to lose it all. You're going to go on tilt. You're going to give it all away. You're not going to be able to pay the car, the bills, the house, the food. You're going to lose a day. You need to come back and make double the next day. Okay? Your trading goal sheet right here. Okay? These are the things we go over right here. How the market really works right here. This is how the market works, not by reading charts. Okay? This is how the market works. You get to throw 3 darts every single day. How accurate is your dart going to be in Mojo wave theory? Okay? Boom. Boom. You want the bullseye, the 90 to 95% accuracy. How do you do that? You trade correctly, up and down the right way, know what to do in bad situations. That's what I teach. Okay? That's what I teach. I teach this also. See this? This is today on AMD, 12/6 at 12:22 a.m. Today at lunchtime. You see this Cupid top, folks? You see the 11:15, the GG and Hulk combo with the rail grind and the 2 times? Is this 100% accurate of what I teach in Mojo University? 100%, all you pro traders. Is this spot on, 100% what I teach and what I'm going to show you that already happened today in Mojo University? Right there. GG, Hulk combination, rail grind, 2 times, 11:15, 12:45 into a Cupid top rail grind. I mean, it's magnificent. Let me see some reactions to that, guys. I got 1 reaction. 2. Give me an emoticon. 3. Give me more. Give me more. Show me more, I'll give you more. Show me more, I'll give you more. There we go. Got a lot of people in here now listening to me on the channel. Cool. Gotta like that. Okay, I do a poll every day in the room. Look at the poll, guys. Making money, making money. Look at the losing money columns. Losing money for real, none. Losing money for real, None. Everyone's making money. It's easy to show that. Losing money for real? None. Losing money for real? None. Look at the dates. 10/31, 11/1, 11/14, 11/15. Look at the dates. 10/27, 10/25, 10/24, 10/20, 10/18. Look. Lose money? None. Lose money? None. Lose money? None. Lose money? None. Lose money? 1. That's the difference between Mojo Day Trading and everybody else. You can make money and have financial freedom every day. Okay? I give you the edutainment you need to keep you loving the room and active.
Yes.
Haha, you like it. Thank you, everyone. Already showed you the Mojo show. The results. And there's the journal right there. So let's show you the results, guys. The day trade results. I already showed you that right here. Scroll down, knock yourself out, look at 4 years worth. Then I got the swing trade results. Boom, right here, 4 years worth of amazing ROI. So far this month, we've closed out dry ships at 425 to 640. And dry ships again, right there. From 425 to 6, it reversed, so we got out of it. And then we got YGE, little dime. DGAS, 420 to 450 and 460 and 470. Dry ships again, 490 to 565, that's a 5. Then we did plug, still in it. NVCN from 97 to $1.45, $1.15, and we sold the rest today over 2. And Republic Bank shares. So this is the swing trade results. Fully transparent for 4 years. And I'm going to show you right here what we did with NVCN. So if you come back here for the swings, this is NVCN right here. So you have NVCN like a magnet to $1. We bought it on 12.5 at 90 cents. And we started selling here at $1.31. You can see that. And then this is the next day. NVCN this morning right here at $1.50. Then we traded it through 2 to 219. Here's dry ships where I showed you went over 5. There's the dry ships. Then we're at $2.72 on NVCN. $2.80 on NVCN. $2.84. $2.94 on NVCN. That's power, folks. That's swing trading. From 90 cents to $3 in 1 day. Day trade picks did the same thing. Here's DRYS, 517, 523. We bought it under 5. Right here. And then I'll show you AMD. What we did with AMD today and so forth. All in the chat. All in the day trade picks, AMD. Okay, so we did some amazing picks, and the rules for the picks were I waited for the setup. If there was no setup, there was no trade. You will, you shall, and you must wait for good trades because the fees and commissions add up. Everybody's on bad commission rates. Never buy once, scale in and scale out, trade like a businessman and not a trader. After you start taking a profit, don't let the second part of your profit go lower than the first part or wait for me to tell you to take a profit. Listen to your inner person. When he says you're profitable, start taking it. So here's your inner person. It's like this guy and this guy. It's like, ooh, Mike just made a good pick. Look, I'm up $50. I'm up 5. Sell. That's your signal. You just got it. If you missed it, it's going to go back down. And it may only go back down 8 out of 10 times. 2 times it's going to rip. You'll only remember the 2 that go up. You won't remember the 8 that go down. So become a pro trader, guy. Always trade size that makes you unemotional. I'm a DGF. This is my new motto. I'm a DGF. MFH, SAS, HTM. That takes no mercy on the market and makes it my biatch. So I'm a DGF, MFH, SAS, HTM that takes no mercy on the markets and makes it my biatch. That's my motto for the day. Every time I walk into the office, I feel that, I know it, and I own it. Who doesn't know what that means? DGF, MFH, you new guys. Who doesn't know what that means that I could teach it to you? And then this way your trading may become better. Any of you new guys? Don't know what it is? Jimmy, Buster, Tim, Samson, Paul, OP, Michael, Lex, Kyle, Joe, Jen, Jade, Hoot the Clown, Hobo the Clown, Dan Luck, Bond, where are you guys? You there? You have any idea? You all know what that means, do you, huh? I don't gotta tell you then. No problem, let's move on. One person, it's not enough. No clue. Well, you don't have a motto. It means I don't give an F because I'm a mother effing hustler. I'm smart as shit. I'm a humble trading machine. That's what those stand for. If the stock goes higher, I don't give an F. If the stock goes lower, I don't give an F. And if it stays the same, I don't give an F. Because I'm an MFH. I'm a mother effing hustler. I take money from everyone in the market. Because I know how to do my trade play that works 100% of the time. I've done this trade for 4 years. I've never lost once. I challenge anybody in the world to show me that this trade doesn't work. I'm 5,000 for 5,000 on it because I'm a DGF, MFH, SAS, humble trading machine that takes no mercy on the market and makes it my biatch. Do you understand now, guys? The attitude? Dude, I'll take a loss in a second. You don't know. Why, you're going to marry it down, Tim? Because you're not a DGF and you got a bad print and you not know MFH. You don't know how to bankroll out of it. You don't know. That's why you need to take Mojo U so you can know. So you can know. That's what it is. That's why you're losing. That's why you're losing. That's why you're losing. Okay? I hate all stocks. Here's how you get started. So who I use is Interactive Brokers. So I use Interactive Brokers. Okay? Interactive Brokers is the firm, if you're a day trader, to trade with. They're the bomb. I also trade on the DOS Trader platform. So if you go to the DOS, they're linked. You go to subscribe. You click Interactive Brokers. I'm on the $150 a month. You click subscribe. It links up with your PayPal. You pay for it. After you do that, you come down here and you send authorization to IB. You put your name, You put your account number that IB gave you when you set it up and your username, and then you click yes and submit, and DOS will get in touch with Interactive Brokers and link up your account. Okay? Interactive Brokers, Mojo, is on a pricing commission on a tiered platform. Tiered pricing structure right here. I pay 1 penny per share. So 1,000 shares costs me $1. Versus everybody else would cost you 6. And the way I scale in, it would cost you a lot more. Okay? So I trade through Interactive Brokers in the DOS. These are for the accounts that are 25,000 and more. The accounts that are under 25,000 are with Pioneer Trading Group and with the TradeX platform. I suggest everybody that comes into the room do the day trading challenge. Most of the people, 80% of the traders, have less than 25,000, so you're going to go with the TradeX and you're going to get in with the prop firm. I suggest getting set up on the challenge, and I'll set you up with their software, and you could do a simulation account for 1 month with real-time data, back-end reporting, level 2 educational video, and my daily guidance and mentoring. I'll watch all your trades. I'll make sure that you become a successful trader and you can conquer the market. Then once you do, you can fund your real account and go live. All after taking Mojo University. If you do the challenge and you just come in for the challenge, I give you the day trade room for a month for free. So you're basically getting the first month and the challenge to better your life for nothing. And then you'll be a member of the team and be in the room for a long time. After doing the paper trade, Mojo's partnered with a firm that you can get the trading leverage you need, 2,000 minimum. We've negotiated special institutional rates to pass through, as I mentioned to you. And many firms out there charge a pretty penny for commission. They charge $5 to $7 per trade. That includes 100 shares to buy and 100 shares to sell. So your total is $14 per trade. It leads traders to buy and sell at one price, throwing just one dart, and it's not the best scenario for scaling into trades. So I offer a paper trading platform which simulates your exact real account. I'll hook you up with $30,000 in buying power. I'll get you 6-to-1 leverage on that. So if you make money, it adds on. And it doesn't matter because you can only trade 1,000 to 2,000 shares. Most of the people that trade are misinformed that buying power helps you. It actually hurts you. Small traders in my group are only allowed to trade 1,000 shares of stock until they prove themselves. This way there's no minimum loss. Most people, they screw up so the losses outweigh the gains. This way those losses will be minimum. You'll get the system down, and then once you learn how to become consistently profitable, you use the same scenario in the simulation as you do in your real account. You keep 100% of the profits, and everybody trades on the same platform doing the same thing. As a matter of fact, I showed something real cool. Let me see, this is I'll show you, this is like what the day trade team, when everybody's in sync, I mean, we're all in sync, guys. When everybody's in sync for the Mojo, this is what we look like. Look. See that? Everyone just in sync, the whole team, boom. Not one person made it, the first guy, the whole team made it. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. Everybody's making money with Mojo. Okay? Everybody that goes into Mojo University is going to get my playbook. These are the patented trade plays that I've developed over the years in Mojo. You have my 4 main ones, and I'll show you today the Heinz, the Hulk, the Gonzo, and the Bounty. I did the Hulk today, as a matter of fact. And then I'm going to show you right here with the trade plays, learn level 2, because learning volume patterns is extremely critical. When analyzing a stock, volume is the second thing important to price. A chart's volume can tell you almost everything. Here's a tip. When a stock breaks out on big volume, the first dip will normally be bought up very quickly. Stocks that are in an uptrend, green on the day, should be bought on dips and sold as new highs are made. High volume trades on the ask are bullish. High volume trades on the bid are bearish. Okay, you see this picture right here, the level 2? You see this number, 576 on the ask? This is the level 2. The stock is going to go through that number, 28.55. So if you bought before that to go through the large number on the ask, which is bullish, you'll make money on that trade. Okay, here's the situation right here. So you're at 28.55. The bid is 28.43. The ask is 28.47. It's 9:31 in the morning. It's traded 97,000. Then you go to number 2 right here. And then it moves 28.49 by 54 with that 28.55 signal right there, the 519, at 9:32 and 42 seconds. Blink your eye 3 times. It just jumped through. It's 28.73 by 28.82 headed to 29. So that's the power of reading level 2. And now I know what happened with this stock. This is what happened. It went here, 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 and here. I picked it up here because I saw the signal. How did you know the chart was going to do that? It's like you have a magic crystal ball. Ooh, the crystal ball.
Oh, yes.
Nice. Good job. Okay, look. You see this one? Traders, no mojo. No mojo. Which way is this going? Which way is this going, guys? Higher or lower? Look. Look. Fitbit. 3906 by 3911. You see it in number 1? Only the new guys, the free riders that are here for the seminar. Which way you think this is going? Fitbit. It's up $1.99. It looks amazing. Which way is it going? Anyone? Want to take a guess? I can end the webinar and we can do it just for the Mojo team. They all answer. Hey, one of the pet peeves that I have, check it out. Hey guys, see? Look, see all you people right here? This is my pet peeve. That I'm speaking, everybody in Mojo knows this. This is just for you guys. So if you don't answer me, that's my pet peeve, that I'm talking and no one's answering. Billy Mack, I can go like this and kick. You kick you right from the room. What do I need you here if you're not even going to be talking to me? Do you know what I mean? So why don't we do a roundabout? Billy Mack down to Victor, and we'll do that, and then we'll see who joins. And we'll see who joins me on the chat. Okay? And if you're not in the chat, here's how to join it. So Billy Mack, you could stay. We'll keep you, Billy Mack. Bond. Jason Bond. Look, it's Jason. Yo, Jason, I'll give you a minute, dude. And then we're going to have to part as friends. So I give him a second. Everybody else, Dan, Dano, Gabe, Hobo the Clown, Jade, Jen, Joe, all you guys. You're listening to me on YouTube. If you don't have it in the live chat, I'm going to boot you all one by one. All right, let's kick the first guy out. How about Victor? Let's kick Victor. Done. Victor's gone. Trader Jimmy. Let's kick Jimmy too. Done. I kicked 2 of you. How about Buster? Let's kick Buster too. Let's kick Buster. Done. Who else wants to get kicked out of the webinar? Let's kick rackers. Done. I don't need to teach you. You're going to be in Mojo University. You won't even pay attention in class. Tim. How about you, Tim? I'll kick you. No, you did it. You answered. Yeah. Cool. Lex, thanks. You're here. You won't get kicked. Nice. You won't get kicked. Let's see. Jade. You didn't answer. Let's kick Jade out. And I'm going to kick Jason Bond now. Where is he? Here he is. Bond. Let's kick Jason. Done. Now I'll continue a little bit more. And if you guys don't answer me, I'll kick the rest of you out. That's all. So which way is the stock going, guys? Higher or lower? Fitbit. 3906 by 3911. Signal right there at 3905. ProTraders. Which way is it going? It went lower. Look, saved your ass. Yeah, good. Good. I'll pay who wants to join the room? I'll pay you $5,000. Who wants to join? I'll pay you $5,000 right now. Write you a check. Who wants to join? I'll pay you $5,000. You can pay me back. You can trade with the money. Don't worry. You're already a Mojo Trader, Grizz. Good try. Good try. Sam? Fine, I'll send you $5,000. Yeah, too bad, Dan. Too bad. Next time I ask you a question, answer me then. Lex, how come you didn't do it via, you did, you're listening via YouTube. Fine. $5,000, done. 2 of you, I'll kick everyone else out. Paul, see you later. How does it work? Yeah, don't worry about it. You're all eager now, huh? Now I got your attention, right? Now I got your attention, right? Hobo? Yeah, hobo. Let's kick Joe. See you, Joe. Jen, she didn't answer either. See you, Jen. I don't have many $5,000 bills to give. Trade a surge. You too, dude. What are you doing? You've been here for 2 days. Surgy. See, everybody teaches webinars. They just go through information. I'm not looking to give everybody just free information. Nobody's interested. Dude, I'll just continue with my team to make my money, and you can come and do it whenever you want. That's all. You know what? I am the easiest guy to say no to. I am.
No! 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 No!
Hey, OP, you got 1 second. I'm kicking you. You're done. See ya. I don't got $5,000 to give everybody. Michael, I'm kicking you too. See you later, dude. Who's next? That's cool. Good for you. Sucks for you. I'm done for the day with my Mojo team. We're done. At 10 a.m., brother. We've been done. Sucks for you. You need to join the Mojo team and get some more luck on your side. Because you need it. You want to see what I do to the market? My thing just died. My mouse just died. Here it goes. Here we go. This is what I do to the market. Come fight me, dude. This is what I do. What I do. See all those stocks? Kick your ass. I'll show you how to fight like that. I'm on a different level. Different level. Let me show you the room. That's what I do. I'll teach you how to do that. You'll take the red pill. How about a golf ball? Cool. Tim Sampson, new trader surge. Let's mention him. Hey, dude. Let's go. Siegel. Hey, dude. Let's go. Gabe. Hey, dude. Dano. Hey, buddy. No. Nope. Nope. Not available. Not available, Lex. No year memberships available. Sorry. Sorry, dude. Not available. Let's go. Dana, you there? Let's kick Dana. Get the hell out of here. Hobo answered. Gabe. Let's kick Gabe. Oh, no, I don't want to kick Hobo. I want to kick Gabe. Kick Gabe out of here. Michael. Yo, Michael. Kicking you out, buddy. Hell out of here, dude. I got Dan. How come you two of your names in there, Dan? How come you got two Dan Lux? You can explain that. Please, I'm very interested to know that. Serge, what are you doing, dude? Don't get kicked. You don't. You don't do the $99 a month. Sorry, buddy. Not available. No, Alan, we're not doing that. I'm going to have a special at the end of the webinar, dude. They don't got to do that. For the people that are left, if any make it. If any make it, that is. Yo, Serge, see you later, dude. Let's kick Serge. See you, dude. Later. So I got all, and Dan, well, how come you have two things? I'm not showing these people my freaking secrets, dude. No freaking way. I'm gonna stop the video too, and I'll just show you guys in the room. See, all those people do not get the level 2 video now because I booted them out. I ain't giving it to them. Don't worry about it. That's not the link, dude. Don't worry about it, Lexi. Dan, how come you got two names, buddy? Believe me, you can go to the other people that'll teach you how to day trade, dude. They'll take your shit. You think I'm going to sit for a month and get to know you? People, all those people that didn't answer me, I don't need them like a freaking hole in the head. You registered twice and didn't realize it? No, that's not good. Anyway, I'll continue with the webinar. Do you Hines? Mojo traders do. Look, this is dry ships today. We see a 491 to 494 trade. And what the Hines trade is anytime a stock is near an even number at the 90 and the 95% range, 91 to 95 cents range, you buy it. So we bought this one in anticipation. Like a bottle of ketchup, you open it, it doesn't move. You have to like hit the bottle. That's like the 90 to 95. Once it gets over the rim at 5, it flies out. That's why I call it the Hines trade play. I patented it in 2012. I have made 5,000 of those trades. I have not lost on one in 5 years on 5,000. I challenge anyone in the world to show me a trade like this that doesn't go through the number. When the stock is green, it's got some volume, and it didn't come from 425, it came from 475 and is now at 90. This one went right through at 521 to 523. Beauty Hines, it took longer with anticipation, but it was worth it. Okay? Here is today. We did NVCN. We bought it at 90 cents yesterday. It's still up at $2 right now, up 52 cents. It makes no difference. We bought it here at 195 at 939.56.
Yes.
And then at 940, it's 205. And there's the breakout. That's your classic, what they call ABCD pattern that all my competitors teach is a bunch of bullshit. It doesn't work. Everybody has a very limited window to make money, and you're gonna get burned. There's no question about it. You'll lose more than you win on that. And you could see it right here. Look. So if you come up right here, this is that ABCD pattern right here. Okay, where this is, they say, the A, right here. This is the B, C, and your D is a breakout above here. And this is your entry right here. That's your entry. So if you enter there, you only have from here to here. Right here. That's your avenue, percentage-wise, of profitability in the move. When Mojo bought here, watch, entry number 1, entry number 2 on the green bar, and add number 3 right there. So it's 1, 2, 3. I sold number 1 right here. Already sold number 1. Selling number 2 as you buy. And then I'm selling number 3 into the top, which makes a Cupid top. So your avenue, most of the people that buy are right here. So you have this window. Mojo has this window. So this is Mojo, and this is everyone else. That's why Mojo wins all the time. If the trade fails from here, I can get out of it and still not lose on it because it's positive and green on the day. Okay? So here's NVCN at 205. Here's NVCN at 212, 214, and went to 290. Okay? Here's AMD this morning. So AMD was a possible Heinz tag along with NVIDIA going through 92.50. NVIDIA went to 94. So we got right here, there's a signal. You could see it in the level 2 at 905. Goldman Sachs, the 128. So we're going to buy Anarca 884, the 70, in anticipation of going through that right through. And it went boom, 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 boom. This is today at 9:44 in the morning. We do it every day. Selling right here at 9:19. Okay, and then it made a Cupid top and came down and boom, right there, quickly gobbled up to go make a new high. And here's your Cupid top, quickly gobbled up, like I told you before, to take it up to a new high on a green giant bar, Hulk combination, rail grind at 11:15 and 12:45, amazing call. This is what I tell all of my traders in the room. You need to be helping me with the stocks we're trading, recognizing the first 3 bars and not worrying about Francesco's holdings. Does everybody in the room follow me? All my pro traders on what I need you to do. Do you follow? Pros, do you follow? I need the help on the reservation. Sam gets it, and he's not even a guy yet. So I need it, guys. You guys got to step up to the plate. Got to step up to the plate. Brogan, Dan, Hobo, Kyle, Lex, Samson, and Tim. You follow me? You guys there? You with it? Tim, Samson, Lex, Kyle, Siegel, Hobo, Dan, and Brogan? Let me see some yeses, bro. Because if you're not listening to my webinar, we're going to have to part as friends. Nice, Captain. Like that, buddy. Let's go money mouth. I like that. Thanks, Kyle. Thanks, Bubba. Dude, we just sit back like this, be puffing the cigars, honey. Boom, poof, money. Like that. Poof, money, baby. That's what I do. That's what I do. Okay? So let's go into the Mojo University toolbox. Okay? This is my poker table last night. Told everybody how to do the small accounts, just like small shares, how it works, just like at the poker table. Okay? I was ranked 176th. I used to be a professional online poker player. I was ranked 176 out of 1.74 million players. Okay? I made a living playing poker online. The skills I used at the poker table to clear money every single day are the skills that I use for day trading that I showed my traders last night in Mojo. Right there, in order to win. Okay? Here's all the Mojo stuff. Everything right here, how to do it. Okay? Right here. Boom. To right here. Look at all this material. To what is a Heinz. Okay? Like I'm showing you. So here's another trade we did this morning with the tag along on NVIDIA going through 93. You could see, look at the move it did. A, B, C, D pattern. One quick move up and right down. We already bought it right here in anticipation of going through that. Look. 93.56, 93.60, 93.69 right into the high. And that's everything day trading that Mojo does. Anybody have any questions on day trading? Anybody have any questions on day trading? No? My swing trading's phenomenal. I'll show you some swing. How to make money in stocks. You want to take a break for 5 minutes? Take a break for 5 minutes. Get a hot cup of coffee. Come on back. Continue. Yeah, you're not a noob. You're a doob. You're a doob, not a noob. You're a doobie. Take a break. Dude, I could teach. Nah. It goes like this. Look, I give you the pick. I give you the pick. You take it and you put it in. Watch again. Look, I give you the pick. You take it and you put it in. Even a dog could freaking do it. No. Alan, answer his question. Follow them level 2 for entries? No. I follow the level 2 and give you the picks. Tell them what to do, man. Tell them how to do it. Guys, tell these guys how to do it. I'm going to go heat my coffee. Talk to the pro traders, guys. Here's what the deal is. I'm having a holiday contest to post your tree or your holiday garb picture in the Mojo room. I'm going to make a folder. I'm going to make a channel for it right now. It's going to be holiday right here. Holiday pics. Holiday photos. Right there. See that? Right there. Look. Holiday photos. So I'm going to stick that up here on top of the leaderboard. And everybody's going to be able to check that baby out. Okay, we'll put the holiday photos in there. everyone can read the messages, and everyone can send messages, and everyone can attach a file. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach my tree, which is the first one. Okay, so I'm putting in my tree, and then everybody could follow. I did this last night in MOJO U. Yo, hold on a second. Let's see. So here's my tree. I did it. I was like, yeah, like them trees. No, that's not it. That was the wrong trees. That was the wrong one, man. That was the wrong one. This is the MOJO family tree. There's the MOJO tree right there. So there's the MOJO tree right there. I showed everybody, you know, I had this tree up there, but those weren't that's not the real, these aren't the real trees. No, we don't want them trees. So everybody's gonna post the your picture. I'm gonna give away a nice holiday prize. Me and some of the pro traders will pick the best picture to do. Let me get out of that. It means being selective, not playing every hand. Fold and stick to hinds. You're flowing in a MOJO anointment. That is correct. Very well said, dude. Very well said. Bottles of ketchup, buddy. Absolutely. You definitely want to do that. So let's see what we got now. What else can I give y'all? If most of y'all are feeling like this out there, I could help you, man. Could really help you. Mute YouTube and listen here. Nice, Phil. Nice, Philly. Nice tree, buddy. Yeah, there's what's a chart. We don't use charts. What the F is a chart? We don't use charts. They're for suckers. That's why. Because everyone teaches your chart. 8 out of 10 lose because everyone teaches you stupid charts, man. Charts don't work. So I'm gonna go get something to drink, and then I'll come back and teach you about swing trading. Okay?
Yes.
NVCN went to 334. Look at that. 334 on NVCN. It's amazing. We were in this one too before, OPTT, which did go through the signals. We made money in that one too. Pips 325, guys. Parmethine moved up again. Pip. Now we have plug 154. These are our swings. Plug, beautiful. We bought plug here. Parmethine, we bought here. Broadwind, we're in that one. FRBK, amazing. We bought this one right here. This is the bank stock, guys, that I said yesterday was moving. FRBK is up 25%. I told you the banks were moving. Here's the other one, Republic Bank. We have both of those. So MOJO's just nailing it on the swing trade side. I'll show you the picks on FRBK and why I picked that, which will be perfect for the swing, for the show. So here's the actual newsletter that went out for that. So here's the actual newsletter. Here's Republic. Here's Pip. And here's FRBK. And I'll show you this right here. And why that happened. I'll be right back. Alrighty, folks. Nice. Okay. So, right here is the Mojo swing. Okay. I learned this system 25 years ago. I read the book How to Make Money in Stocks by William O'Neill, the best-selling book on Wall Street, for 50 years. It's called Ken Slim. It's an acronym that he developed by looking at the best winning stocks of all time. He has a second book called How to Make Money in Stocks as well. And basically, what William O'Neill did was he looked at every winning company in the history of the time in the stock market that ever went from $10 to $100 per share. He threw them in the computer, noticed they had the same fundamental characteristics, applied the acronym Ken Slim, current earnings per share, annual sales, something new, shares outstanding, a leader, institutional sponsorship, and market momentum. So here's Ken Slim growth during the years of 1990 through 1995 on a stock called Cisco Systems that created huge wealth for investors if you followed the Ken Slim system and held the stock every 3 months while it went through its earnings reports. And as long as it didn't break the pattern of increasing earnings, you were able to stay in that particular stock. So let's show you right here. This particular stock started right here in 1991, and you had 1,000 shares at 20 per share, which was right here, and it was in Fortune magazine, and the current earnings per share was a loss of 50 cents, and they were making $500,000 a quarter. Over that 4 quarters, they went like this. They went a loss of 40, a loss of 20, and a loss of 10. And the revenues went from $1 million to $2 million to $4 million. And the stock went up from 20 to 50 and did a 2-for-1 stock split. Now you have 2,000 shares. The same thing happened in 1992. It went from a loss of 10 to a loss of 5 to even to plus a penny, plus 2 cents, and that was it. And the revenues went from 4 million to 20 million, and the stock went up again. You had 4,000 shares. And then the next year, it went from the same thing, from plus to 4, 8, 16, and 32 cents, from 20 million to 100 million every single quarter, and now you have 8,000. It did it here. 16,000. It was in new times and a new CEO, and then you had 32,000 shares before it finally broke the pattern, and you have $1 million in the stock. And that's the Ken Slim system right there of growth. Here is this stock right here, First Republic, where you could see you have a loss of making 7 cents, making 11 cents, making 14 cents, an 83% increase. They did a 50% increase this quarter, a 200% increase this quarter, a 200% increase this quarter, a big increase this quarter. So 4 quarters of inside. So you have the C, the current earnings per share, and the A are solid on this. You have N, what's new? What's new? It's in a new hot industry that's going. What's new about it? They have 17 offices and this and that. Nothing's really that here, insider buys. Nothing's really that fantastically new about it. Shares outstanding 37.9 and 33. William O'Neill saw that all the greatest winning companies of all time had small shares in the float before they made their big move. L, they're a leader right here. The group rating, A, it's a leader in the group. Composite rating, 94%, so it's a leader. I, institutional sponsorship, they're 33% owned by funds. And market momentum, the banks are freaking hot as shit right now. That's why the stock went from $4.95, and Mojo picked it right here on January 23rd. There's the stop floor right there. I picked it on earnings due on there. I picked it on 11/18 right there, and that's why the stock right now is $7.50. I do it all day long, folks, okay? Can you say Heinz $1? Like I showed you the Heinz move. I sent this out on NVCN yesterday at 90 cents. Here it's $2.16 the next day. Here it's $2.72. And that's how it works. So everybody learns this, folks, in Mojo University. Levi, that's rude. And if you do that again, while I'm doing this, with the problems that I've been having with you in the room, we may have to part as friends. Do you understand? No problem. And what Levi did, guys, I just deleted it. In the middle of my web, he's putting out, telling us about LABD, that it's getting crushed. And what should we do? Look at it and trade it, Levi? Is that what we should do? LABD, I should get off the webinar, down 80 cents, and we should buy this. Is that what you're telling me? You can't, the new rule for Levi is until, and you're a pro trader, dude, why are you, number one, you threw yourself under the bus. Number two, why is that a piece of shit? And I freaking hate it. Why? Answer the question. Why would I never, ever in a nanosecond not buy LABD right now? Why? If you don't get the answer, you can't put any more picks in the room ever again. You can just take them. Incorrect. Try again, dude. Incorrect. Correct. Correct. So why would you do that to yourself? Why? Why? I don't understand. It makes no sense. Why? Why would you do that to yourself? We don't short in this room, Sam. He's just an idiot. No, he's just an idiot. He knows I can call, it's like my brother. I can call my brother an idiot. He doesn't get upset. See, if I didn't have a relationship with Levi and he didn't already draw me as the Hulk, you know, I'd be like, oh, I can't say anything. He's going to quit his registration. He's going to be gone. Oh, other moderators don't talk to their members like that. You know? I can, because me and Levi got a relationship. I'm the Hulk. And if I don't set Levi straight, he ain't going to be here for the marathon. Okay? He's super. That's right. That's right. And I'm here to help Levi. My dog pisses in the house, man. I still love him. You know what I'm saying? Major pees in the house. I still love him. Gotta correct him now. Tell him he can't do it. Aha! Yo-yo. Yo-yo's got bad language. Dude, don't say that again. What you do, yo-yo? You curse? Yo-yo cursed. Yo-yo cursed. Try writing that again, yo-yo. I didn't see you the first time, buddy. You could try again. Yep. Aha. Nah. 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 I love it. Ah, I love it. Ha, he who shall not be named. Bad language in the room. You can't use bad language, bro. Rip, baby. Busted. Ha ha, he who shall not be named. Gotta love that. So look, guys. We have ProTrader Allen. Okay? Guys. He hasn't lost in 2 years. Lobster, you in the room? Lobstonio, there he is. Lobster, right there. Meet ProTrader Lobster, guys. Right there. There's his video. If you go to the Mojo site right here, Mojo Day Trading, he's on my Get Started page. No, he's not. Yeah, no. He's on my day trading page. Oh, I gotta fix that. Lobster, your video came down. I gotta fix it. See, I gotta fix the lobster. Lobster video fixed. Done, I gotta do that. And then we got Carlos and Gerardo. Gerardo's in here, Gerardo's big time player in the room. Gerardo's right here. There's Gerardo. Tough love. I had to give Gerardo tough love. The guy I beat up the most in the room, ProTrader Hall and ProTrader Alex. Beat those guys up the most. Why so grumpy? Dude, I'm in the best mood ever. What are you talking about? No bad language, but acronyms could be used? No, acronyms can't be used. We don't use bad language in here. Why? Pro traders, am I grumpy? Traders, am I grumpy at all? I think I'm in the greatest mood. I'm not grumpy. Tim, you want to take it easy, dude? We ain't going to get along. Tim, we ain't going to get along. Dan, you got to run? Peace. Let me kick you instead. Out of here. Tim, what do you mean, buddy? Tim, what do you mean, bud? You calling me out, my man? You got nothing nice to say? Calling me a fucking grump? Tim, see this? Look. There's my foot in your ass. Now I'm a freaking grump. I grumped them, dudes. Rest in peace, Tim. Next. Who wants to rest? Who wants to die next? Tim's gone. He'll never be in Mojo University. He'll never make money with the Mojo team. Who else? Making it easy on me today. So many funerals. It's amazing. So guys, I have 200 testimonials. You think I'm a freaking grump? You think I'm a grump? Well, I don't think these 200 people do. Alan doesn't. Okay? Alan doesn't. You think I'm a grump? Look. These people don't. 200 people have written a letter from their heart of how I've changed their life and their families and their futures. It doesn't matter what anybody says to me in the chat room, guys. It doesn't matter what anybody says. Have a lot of haters. Haters hate, but they make me famous. Do you know that? Haters hate, but they make me famous. And honestly, I don't have time to hate the people who hate me because I'm busy loving the people that love me, and haters make us famous. Okay? Because I have nothing more than power. And the women in this room, I'll shoot you between the eyes like Hawkeye, and my women in this room will nail you to the pants like her. And if you ain't scared of her, you better be scared of her. That's all I'm saying, Mr. Grump Grump. Okay? Listen, Mojo University is a comprehensive program. Okay? You need to be a winner in the stock market. Let's get to work. The tuition rebate program. I show you how to do the day trade course, $5,000. Swing trade, $2,000. Option, $1,000. Okay? Here's how it works. Mojo University, the day trading course, $5,000 retail value. Swing trading, $2,000 real world retail value. Options trading, $1,000 real world value, folks. 6 months of the Mojo Day Trading and Swing Trading service, $900 value. Paper trade your coaching for 6 months, however long it takes, $500 value. Because I'm going to be on you, like all on you, making sure your paper trading is profitable. I'm going to give you my toolbox, my sheets, my guides, my tracking sheets, my trade playbook, everything you need, 500 real world value. The university library, dozens and dozens of video lessons on the technique of Mojo, easily 500 real world value. And lifetime personal coaching is priceless, folks. It's a value of $10,400 that you can get for $5,000. Well worth it. Here's the payment plans. You can do one payment of $5,000, 2 payments of $2,500, or 5 payments of $1,000. You can also go into PayPal and bill me later and do 6 months interest, pay it in full, pay it out over 6 months with no interest. So there's no reason why you can't educate yourself and make this happen. You're like, you crazy, dude? I ain't paying you $5,000. Fine, here's my special offer for today. One payment, $2,000. This is for the January class on January 9th, folks. One payment, $2,000. 2 payments, $1,000 each, or 4 payments for $500. Today only. Okay? If you do this and you get in for the January class, the January class is how long away? Let me see. The January class is on the 9th. Here's what you learn. Go to the Mojo University page. The lessons are broken out from lesson 1 to lesson 56. It's right here in 34 days. So, in the meantime, if you do the special and sign up for the next class of Mojo U, you're getting a big discount of better than $5,000, because that's what it is in 2017. Right now it's $2,500. I'm giving it to you less. For $2,000, you're going to be able to watch the current class over the holidays. It's priceless. I have recorded all of the Mojo University lessons, folks, on the Mojo channel. Okay? I've recorded them all. So what you can do is you can get access to the Mojo University videos right here, and you'll be able to watch them. Okay, these are all the classes. Class 1, 2, 3, and I'm putting 4 in there now. They're all private. I could put your name in there to watch it, and you guys can go to town. All I need you to do is contact me. Let me know that you want to sign up for that class. The class is only going to take 10 people because I'm doing more webinars. I'm going to do 3 of them. I'm going to take 30 new students, and at least 30 new students are coming back. Okay? That's a shame you can't hear anything. Listen on YouTube. So that's the offer. If anybody wants to join in, please feel free to contact me or let me know now. info@mojodaytrading.com is my email. You're going to get 6 months free of the room, 6 months free of the newsletter. You're going to get 6 months free of the room, 6 months free of the newsletter. You're going to get paper trading. You're going to get toolbox. You're going to get library. $10,000 worth of value, folks, today only. And it ain't going to change. I promise you that. Pro traders that are in the class now, what do you think? Good deal, huh? Good deal, huh? Sick deal. Carol, how long you been with me? Cayman, how long you been with me? Dylan, how long you been with me? JCR, how long you been with me? Years. Ring, Safari, Rap, Rachel. What's the price of what? The price of Mojo University is $2,000. You can do 1 payment, 2 payments, or 4 payments. Or you can do it on yourself and pay it all, and you can do it through PayPal. That's the deal. And you'll be ProTrader Lex in no time at all. You'll make $1,000 a day for the rest of your life. And that's it, buddy. You'll have an easy life. You won't get front run. You won't have to look at charts. You won't have to look at scanners. You won't have to look at anything, dude. Come here every day, make money, shut it off, and be done. Yes, you'll be a pro trader. You'll get a graduate certificate. You want to see what the certificate looks like when you graduate? Let me show you. This is what you get when you graduate Mojo U. Right here. ProTrader tuna can right there. That's that one. Very nice, Mr. Derek Brown. Successfully completed Mojo U right there in May of 2016. No, you get it for 6 months. You get the room for 6 months. And you get all that. Here's the final kicker. Listen carefully. Are you listening carefully? Are you listening very carefully? Watch. Mojo University tuition program. Watch. Watch carefully. Watch careful. Watch. Don't make a mistake. Show you the tuition program. Okay? Mojo University produces the best stock traders in the world. Interactive Brokers agrees. Pro traders that graduate Mojo U tend to be lifetime traders, which is a dream come true for brokers. That's why Interactive Brokers wants to pay for your trading education. They want you to succeed and they're willing to pay for it. Now the rest is up to you. Let me show you what goes on. I trade 100,000 shares a day. That's a million. That's 100,000. That's 2 million shares a month. So let's say you only do 1 million a month. That's 12 million a year. Commission with Mojo, 12,000. Commission with others, 60,000. You're saving $48,000. So if you pay $2,000 for Mojo U and be part of the team, you'll get paid back in commissions on the scale of $2,400 to $48,000 over a 12-month period of time. You'll have all your education and all the services you ever pay for Mojo Day Trading rebated back to you in commissions through the relationship that I set up with Interactive Brokers. What do you think about that? You'll trade 100,000 shares for $100, not $1,000. Save $900. What do you think of that, folks? ProTrader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable, everybody. I'd love to take questions right now on the webinar. How to get started if you want to join. If you don't want to join, no problem. Absolutely. You want to join, Hobo? 20, correct. 25 grand. Absolutely. Absolutely. Send me an email to info@mojodaytrading.com and I'll get you all signed up. Because you can't go through my website because that's 5 grand. I'm giving it to you for 2. It's 2,000. Includes all that good stuff. Plus you get to trade with me at IB. I offer the tuition rebate program for the smaller trader too, through Pioneer. So you're basically going to get your trading paid for. I produce the best prop traders in the world. So anybody let me know. You're going to need $2,000 for the firm. You're going to need $1,000 for Mojo University, and then you're on your way. ProTrader Mike signing off. Peace. Anybody let me know questions. Keep it profitable. Video's over. See ya.